July 1, 2025. NASA's Atlas survey system flagged something strange streaking across the night sky, a fast-moving object unlike anything seen in recent memory. Within hours, data analysts realized this wasn't a normal comet, nor was it an asteroid. What they had discovered would stun Harvard astronomers, ignite global debates, and leave us with one haunting question: was this visitor from deep space a natural object? Or something engineered? Tonight, we dive into the mystery of 3I/Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object to ever enter our solar system, and perhaps the strangest of them all. It started with a pinpoint of light in the constellation Pegasus. The Atlas telescope system in Hawaii, designed to catch near-Earth asteroids, noticed something unusual: a faint object shifting against the backdrop of fixed stars, moving at over 130,000 miles per hour. The detection triggered an automated alert to the Minor Planet Center in Massachusetts, the global hub for logging new discoveries. Within minutes, the object was officially catalogued as 3I/2025A1, also nicknamed 3I/Atlas. That 3I prefix carried a weight few people truly understood. It meant third interstellar. Before this, only two others had ever been seen: Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. Suddenly, astronomers were staring at a once-in-a-lifetime discovery, something not born in our solar system, but a trespasser from the void between the stars. Normally, once an object is spotted, astronomers run orbital models, check the math, and the numbers quickly settle. Not this time. The orbit of 3I/Atlas was hyperbolic, a one-way path that would swing around the Sun and then vanish forever into interstellar space. But what unsettled astronomers most wasn't its speed, or even its escape path. It was what wasn't there. Comets usually form a coma, a glowing halo of gas and dust, as they heat up near the Sun. But 3I/Atlas showed none of that. The raw images from Atlas and other observatories showed something unnerving: a sharp, clean point of light, smooth, without the messy haze that every comet carries like a cosmic signature. Harvard's astronomy team received the data by July 25. At first, they assumed it was a calibration error or a glitch in the imaging pipeline. But night after night, exposure after exposure, the results were the same. No coma. No tail. Just a symmetrical, smooth body reflecting sunlight in an oddly precise way. Some on the Harvard team whispered what others were afraid to say out loud: this didn't look natural at all. Scientists compared the data with past interstellar visitors. Oumuamua, the first, was cigar-shaped and accelerated oddly, as if something invisible was pushing it. Borisov, the second, looked more like a traditional comet. But 3I/Atlas? It fit neither category. Instead, it carved its own chapter in the cosmic storybook. At Harvard, one astronomer reviewing the spectral analysis noted something even more bizarre. The chemical fingerprint hinted at carbon dioxide, a common component in comets, but arranged in strange ratios. Missing were the expected gases and dust. What remained was unnervingly simple, almost clinical. One scientist described it bluntly: this object looks engineered. The deeper teams dug, the stranger it became. Orbital residuals, the tiny differences between where the models said 3I/Atlas should be, and where it actually was, refused to settle. Normally, after a few nights of observation, those errors shrink to nearly zero. But for 3I/Atlas, they stayed stubbornly high. This interstellar object doesn't look anything like a comet. There's no coma, no dust trail. Just a smooth, symmetrical body, rich in carbon dioxide, traveling past the Sun at impossible speeds. Its structure is so precise, some of us believe it looks engineered, as if built for travel, not formed by chance. Those words echoed through both the scientific community and popular culture. Was Harvard suggesting 3I/Atlas might be artificial, possibly a probe from another civilization? Most scientists rejected the idea. They cautioned that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. But the lack of a clear natural explanation left a vacuum, and into that vacuum rushed speculation. Astronomers are now split into camps. One side insists it's just a weird comet, unlike the ones we've seen, but still natural. Another side argues it doesn't fit any natural category, making it something unprecedented. Meanwhile, a growing minority is willing to say the quiet part out loud: if it looks engineered, maybe it is engineered. The evidence is public. Anyone can look at the raw images, the side-by-side comparisons, the missing haze. What do you see? A comet stripped of its dust? Or a craft built with precision? Here's the truth: interstellar objects are vanishingly rare. Most slip through the solar system undetected. To catch one this bright, this fast, is like winning the cosmic lottery. And yet, this is the third in less than a decade. 3I/Atlas came in from the direction of Sagittarius, the center of the Milky Way, where billions of stars cluster tightly. Did it drift here by accident? Or was it aimed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's see which side wins out. And trust me, this story is just beginning. As new telescope data arrives, the mystery of 3I/Atlas will only deepen. If you want to be the first to know what happens next, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us as we follow this interstellar enigma across the sky. Because whether comet or craft, one truth is undeniable: the universe just got stranger. Thank you for watching my channel.